There are sufficient fate and anguish stories in the media about how robots are desiring our employments, and soon they'll be making clever car jokes. Be that as it may, in the event that you look to automakers, an industry that uses robots, some are unyielding about the essential part human specialists play in the car building process. Honda is one such automaker. We can't find anything to take the place of the human touch and of human senses like sight, hearing and smell, Tom Shoupe, the head working officer of Honda's Ohio producing unit, said in a meeting with Bloomberg. For Honda, people are imperative amid the last get-together process. The level of computerization hasn't changed much since Honda's Marysville plant opened, with laborers introducing wheels, motors, and inside trim parts. Honda utilizes around 20 robots amid definite gathering at the plant. You have to have timing, said James Irwin, 47, a 15-year Marysville veteran told the production. I don't think robots can take over. They don't have the manual dexterity or judgment that we have. At the current year's Detroit Auto Show, the 2018 Honda Accord, which is worked in Marysville, won North American Car of Year grant. Both Mercedes-Benz and Toyota are depending on human laborers, with Mercedes really advancing toward utilizing more people. Be that as it may, not all automakers are going along these lines. Tesla is endeavoring to go the other way. You really can't have people in the production line itself. Otherwise you'll automatically drop to people speed, Musk said on an August 2016 phone call while portraying his possible mechanization designs, as per Bloomberg. There's still a lot of people at the factory, but what they're doing is maintaining the machines, upgrading them, dealing with anomalies. But in the production process itself there essentially would be no people. Tesla and Honda ponder car generation and what's imperative in the car building process. Tesla has had a few issues getting generation for its Model 3 off the ground and up to the guaranteed limit in the course of the most recent couple of months. Whichever way automakers choose to go on the utilization of robots, it's reasonable people will assume a basic part for quite a long time to come.